I'm Adam, and this is a video about how to use your keyless entry access on your Ford or Lincoln vehicle.
Today's video is brought to you by this 2018 Ford Explorer Platinum.
Your Ford or Lincoln vehicle can actually have 5 different custom presets for the keyless entry as well. That way you don't have to remember the factory preset. To do so, all you have to do is enter your factory code that will come with the vehicle. Then you press your number 1, 2 button and set your custom code. After you've set it, press that 1, 2 again and your code's saved. You can then use that to unlock and lock the vehicle. It's as easy as simply walking up to the vehicle, touching the keypad, it will automatically light up for you, and then all you have to do is enter the custom code that you set and your vehicle will unlock. It's that easy. When you're ready to lock the vehicle, you can do it using the keypad as well. All you have to do is just press 7890 together. It's locked. Thanks for watching. I hope today's video taught you a little bit more about the keyless entry access system on your Ford or Lincoln vehicle. If you do have any more questions about the system or you'd like to see a live demonstration, you can visit us at Jack Schmitt Ford in Lincoln at 1820 Vandalia Street here in Collinsville, or you can visit us online at jackschmittford.com.